Hello everyone, welcome to Ruchi Ruchikaram. Mangoes are readily available now. So today we are going to make a mango special. It's the mango kulfi. The best part of this recipe is that it can be made with just 4 ingredients. So now let's see how to make this. First, take a saucepan and add 500 ml milk to it and keep it for boil on medium to high flame. To this, add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix well and let it boil. The amount of sugar added can be changed depending on the sweetness of the mango. Once the milk starts boiling, add 2 tablespoons milk powder to it. If you do not have milk powder, you could either use corn flour or custard powder. Reduce the flame and stir it continuously. Let it boil till it becomes 1/3 of its quantity. Once the milk has reduced in quantity and thickened, switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Next, to prepare the mango puree, take 1 mango and cut it into small pieces. We need around 1 cup mango slices for this measurement. Use good quality mango. Add the mango slices to a mixer jar and then blend it to a smooth paste. To make the mango puree, the milk mixture has cooled completely and it has thickened. Add this to the mango puree and then blend it for 1 minute. Blend using the pulse button of the mixer so that it doesn't get heated up. Now our kulfi mix is ready. Let's start setting it. For setting the mix, I am using 3 steel glass tumblers. You could use kulfi molds or any tumbler of your choice. It doesn't matter. Pour the blended mixture into these using a spoon. It has become really thick and creamy. Next, cover the glasses tightly with an aluminum foil. Next, using a knife, make small holes in every glass and insert the ice cream stick in each one of them. Put these tumblers for deep freezing for 9 to 10 hours in the freezer. So, after 9 to 10 hours, remove the kulfi balls from the freezer. We need to defrost it. For that, take a bowl with some water. Immerse the kulfi glass into this bowl of water for 30 seconds so that it defrosts a bit. Take it out of water and remove the aluminum foil. Then demold the kulfi carefully by turning it. So now our kulfi is ready. Repeat the same process for the other kulfi glass as well. All the kulfis have been demolded and they look very beautiful. Okay, and it is very creamy in texture. It's very tasty. Do try out this recipe. It's very easy to make. And let me know your comments. If you liked our video, please like, share and comment on this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We post new recipes in English and Malayalam. See you soon with another video. Bye.